Hi Scorpios, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. So are you liking my videos? Are you following it? Are you sharing? And do comment so I will understand that you all are definitely getting motivated and getting help from my side. So yes, I'll be putting up these videos every month for every zodiac sign so that you all understand what's coming in the future. And this is for all the Scorpions. How will be the month of November for all the Scorpions? Lovely. Alright, Scorpions, beware of thieves. Beware of someone taking away your credit. That's just one thing. I have to tell you the warnings also, This is like the GPS system, is what I say. आगे क्या होने वाला है? What to beware of, what is good, everything. So overall, take care of your belongings. Do not leave it unattended. Okay, document your things properly, legalize your things properly. There might be some documentation issues. There might be some issues where you might be just fooled with certain documentations and legal issues. Also, someone might take away your credit. You might do the job and someone else's name will be written. Okay, so yeah, that way take care of money as well, Scorpions, because this time you will require money for maybe someone else's health issue or maybe someone else's fault. You will pay for someone else's fault, and it's okay. Maybe it's karma, and I don't see it being a very big amount of money as such, but sometimes burning of karma is good. Okay, and now you know that this might happen, and I pray that this should not happen, but if this might happen, you already know, and you will bless me for that. So if you're aware, if you learn your lesson, if you know your values, if you're cautious about your things, then this will not happen. It's as simple as that. Alright, so take care of money, take care of people around, take care of intentions of people around, and you might shift your career or shift your job. This is a time that you might shift your career or shift your job. Maybe because of these things because you might not be able to survive, and it's okay. You should always keep everything down but your self-respect up. You should not compromise on your self-respect. It's okay to stand up for yourself. I don't mean leave your job in an ego that this happened with me now. Just get lost everyone. No. Stand up for yourself. Take your dignity, and with a lot of dignity, you can stand up for yourself and you can take a good decision. And it's okay. I support you in leaving the job or leaving the circumstance or just letting go of the circumstance. But whenever you let go, please do this forgiveness exercise. You have to just say, I forgive whatever done and not done by this person or this circumstance. You are free, I am free. And this you can do for anyone and everyone. Any zodiac sign would do that. There was a zodiac sign when I spoke about gratitude. Here I am speaking about forgiveness. This is very, very, very important. Because if this is a karmic lesson, again by unforgiving, you should not generate more karma. You had to give away some karma, so that came to you, and this really happened. And while giving karma also, शान से देना चाहिए, a lot of dignity. This is what I say. So कोई किसी को कर्मा चूका नहीं है, and this is your time to just. But even gratitude will work that you will have that affordability. You will already have money. All your money will not be gone. You will have that privilege of leaving the job and surviving. You will have the luxury of being yourself. Isn't that great? That's how I look at it. All right. Everything is perception. Everything is perception. But the main thing is you need to learn your lessons. And what is the lesson here? Forgiveness. Even if this doesn't happen and anything else happens, your lesson is forgiveness. For sure. Okay. What happens? Okay. You will get a lot of support from relations. Whatever happens, your family is going to support you. You will get great support from your relations, within your relations, even your friends, close friends will definitely support you in whatever case, however, whatever happens with you. And take the support. Okay, sometimes we get into the zone that, oh, this happened with me. Now I don't want anyone. I just want to leave and I want to be alone. But this is not the time to be alone. This is not the time to deal with all this alone. You've already dealt a lot alone. Now it's time that we all deal with this together. Even if you want any consultancy with me directly, please message me. Please contact me with all the given numbers. Yeah, good, yeah. Sometimes money is fine, but sometimes relations are not. And then we just ask this question, who am I earning all this money for? Why am I earning all this money for? There are no relations. No relations are good. But sometimes money is okay, it will come and go, but these relations will stay. And you'll be very proud of yourself. And this reading is just for a month. Please remember, this is not for a year. This is just for a month. Okay. Now, you might meet new people. There will be a lot of guests coming in, by the way. So a lot of guests will also come to your place. There will be new people also. And if couples who are trying for a baby or trying to conceive, you will get the good news. Let me know. I'm so excited. Let me know. Yeah, so you'll get some good news, some pregnancy news or kuch nahi to guests will come. So overall a good time for relations, Scorpions. Good time for relations. With this support only, you can go ahead. You can take a leap of faith. I'm so glad. Yes. And you will get justice for whatever happened. The justice card has also come. So whatever has happened in your life or will happen in your life, it's okay. Forgive. You will get justice. You will understand why all this happened, why you went through all this, and go through all this with a lot of dignity and respect. You will get justice. You definitely message me after this. So I hope you got a good insight this time. Alright. And I'll see you in the next video, Scorpions. Bye.